morning, YouTubers, Toyota Sequoia owners, other owners of vehicles that have door seal issues. And this is door body side. What I didn't realize on a Sequoia is that it has a tan molded rubber piece on this door seal. But I seen there was a seam here and a seam somewhere in here. Actually, a seam here and a seam here for just the regular style piece that I got from Amazon. This is universal door weather strip seal. And then we'll see if we can't find it on my listing real quick. But this should work if you don't have any fancy colored moldings on yours. So I cut it here, and then I put the piece in down here that was completely destroyed. Here's some pieces of it. It was worn out and tethered. If you look at a previous video of that, you can see it was destroyed. And then also this piece here was all ripped up too. So what I did is I cut it there, cut it right where, you know, it ended in a bad spot, and then I trimmed off this, I guess it's a D. Alright, so I trimmed that off right down, just ran a razor blade right down the bottom of it, and then I trimmed the edges off on both sides, just to clean it up, but enough to slide it inside of here, okay, just like a gutter. So if water comes in, it's just going to run down. Here, I did what I could do. I'm going to have to seal it in somehow, but I'll do that later. But I used black RTV silicone against the back of it and kind of filed the natural tracking of it. And it's hollow inside, so it'll compress. Down here, I just put a piece of vacuum line in between both of these and filled it with black RTV. And then over here, I didn't do anything special. I probably should have put a piece of black RTV in there, black silicone hose. I still may. But then again, I may not. I'm going to fill with some more RTV. This is just all experimental. But to buy this molding is outrageous. And finding it's another issue, but repairing it seemed to be the most simple option. And it should be perfectly fine. I'll add a little bit more in here. A little bit more in here when it cures. And I should be able to close it with no problem. And it didn't walk. When I closed it, it looks pretty good. I'm very happy with this repair. I hope this helps someone out.